How you guys doing today? I have a 2015 a Hyundai Sonata 2.0 liter turbo with code P0016. So first of all, before you spend the money or go to a mechanic, you need to check the oil level and you need to check how the oil look like. If you see like you have some dirt or the oil is black or some, you need to do a flush. You do a good flush. Usually, like what I do when I put the flush, like first I let the car warm up for like 5 minutes, then put the flush in, then I drive it for like say 4 or 5 miles, something like that, and then I come back, then I flush it. So I just want to make sure that takes the whole debris from inside the engine, like clean it very well. Then you put like a full synthetic oil, and you change the filter, erase the code, and see if it's gonna come back or no. If it's coming back, sometime when you drive the car, as the customer says, it slow down when this code show up, when the check engine light came on, and the car is slow down, that like you feel like you're losing power. So what I'm going to do is, he said that he already replaced the exhaust variable timing solenoid and nothing happened. But I did test the intake side solenoid, and it felt with the scanner, like a smart scanner. And this part is very cheap, like even in the dealer is $74, and on Amazon is $35. So I take this off. What you need to do, you need to support the engine with some, and then you take all these 17s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, first you're gonna take this off, all 17 millimeter and this 17 millimeter, so you can have a room to get this cover off. This cover right here is all 14, 14, 14. This is 12, 14, 14. Get this cover off. Then there is 4 10 millimeter bolts around, and then you just bob it off. I'm going to get this, I'm going to use this. So either you can just replace this one, and also it's on eBay, or if it's leaking or something, so you need to replace the whole thing. This is on Amazon, maybe like $20, something like that. So when I change it, you can see over here that the carbon brush on the old one is beating like kind of low. You see, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. See, this is how long, like this is, I mean, how tall is this one? And how tall is that one right here? I don't know if you can do something like that. Yeah. So you can see this is smaller or lower. It's like, you know, it's like a motor electric brush. If this is gone, then the motor won't start. So this is kind of like not attached to this magnet intake right here, so it's not reading it. So that's why the code shows up. So I'm going to put the new one in, and I'm going to flush the oil, and then let's see the result. I will leave the result in the description. And if you have any question, just comment below. And please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, now you can see after I replaced the VVT valve, now the car is ready for emission. There is no bending code. The full cycle is read already, and there is no check engine light. So that's a good fix. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.